वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 8.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 कवर करेंगे। द क्वेश्चन इज एबीसीडी एक रोम्बस गिवन है। सबसे पहले हम एक रोम्बस बनाते हैं। तो रोम्बस की सारी साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं। तो दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज क्वाइट यूजफुल इन इन दिस न्यूमेरिकल, राइट। तो हम इसको लेबल कर लेते हैं। दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज सी एंड दिस इज डी। And we are having a diagonal also. This is the diagonal and this is another diagonal. Now, show the diagonal AC. This diagonal bisects the angle A and C. दोनों एंगल्स को बाइसेक्ट करता है। और डायगोनल BD बाइसेक्ट्स द एंगल B एंड एंगल D। तो दोनों को बाइसेक्ट करता है। ये हमें यहाँ प्रूव करना है किसी भी रोम्बस का। तो उसके लिए हम सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करते हैं। तो सॉल्यूशन में सबसे पहले हम गिवन क्वांटिटी लिखेंगे। तो गिवन क्वांटिटी वी आर हैविंग ए rhombus A, B, C and D. Now, we are using here the property of the rhombus that the sides of the rhombus are equal. So, for that, we are going to consider a triangle. That triangle is A, B, C. This is the triangle I am going to consider. तो अगर हम ये triangle consider करते हैं तो we are going to write it here in the triangle A, D, C. तो इस ट्राइंगल में हम लिख सकते हैं कि AD is equal to DC. We can write AD is equal to DC. Why they are equal? Because it is a rhombus. So we can say because the sides of rhombus are equal. We can say like this. और साइड्स अगर इनको इक्वल होंगी तो इनके जो सामने जो एंगल्स होंगे, राइट, so that angle, this angle and this angle, both angles are equal. So we can say that implies the angle DAC is equal to angle DCA. दोनों एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. Why? I already told the reason. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, right? So we can say like this. So we are saying this is equation 1. Now we can also say the side AB is parallel with DC and AC intersects them. So because AB is parallel with DC and AC intersects them, we can write about the alternate angles. The angle BCA, this angle is equal to DAC, this angle, right? So these two angles are equal. We can just writing it, the angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. This is second equation. And this is related to alternate angles, right? So from the equation 1 and 2, what we can have? We can have that this DAC is here and this DAC is here. It means these two things are equal. So these two angles are equal. So we can write angle BCA is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. So these two angles are equal, and this equivalence implies that AC bisects the angle C. How? The BCA, you can see the BCA. We are talking about this angle. So this angle is equal to DCA, right? So the angle C है वो दो parts में divide हो गया है, तो it means this AC bisects the angle C. So this is first thing, hence proved we can. Another part. Now in the another triangle, in triangle ABC, now we are talking about the green triangle. The angle ABC is the triangle we are talking about. इस triangle की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो we can say the AB is equal to BC. Again the same thing we can write here, right? Because of this one. And another, if this is equal तो उनके सामने वाले जो angles हैं वो भी equal होंगे. तो angle BCA is equal to angle BAC. So we are talking about this angle, right? And this angle, these two angles. This angle is equal to this angle, right? So the opposite angles are equal, so we can again write the same thing. We can write the same thing here, right? So this is say equation number 3 we are having, right? So from the equation, from the 2 and third, right? So this is second one and this is third one. So if I'm going to compare these two, so this DAC and this BAC are equal, right? So we are writing this one. The BAC is equal to angle DAC. So angle at A. So this angle, right, is equal to this angle. So we can also make it green also, sorry, yellow also, that this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say like this. Now we can also write that implies that AC bisects the angle A, right? Hence, diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. तो ये हमने A और C के लिए प्रूव किया है. सेम प्रोसेस आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं एंगल B और D के लिए. अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम आती है उसके लिए प्रूव ना हो पाए सेम स्टेप्स में, तो यू कैन गिव इनटू द कमेंट बॉक्स और हम उसका सॉल्यूशन लेकर के आएंगे. तो डायगोनल्स BD bisects angle B as well as angle D, right? So put in the comment box if you are not able to do that, then I'll come with the solution. So hope you like this solution. Please subscribe the channel.